Hi, I'm Rob Crim. I'm the CEO of Vaya Pharma. We're a division of Enzymotec. So my career started as a consumer marketing guy. So I started my career at Procter & Gamble, and I evolved over time to far more into kind of the healthcare and medical nutrition space. So I went to Johnson & Johnson, then I went to Abbott, where I was responsible for the Ensure business and the Glucerna businesses, which are large, very mainstream businesses for them. And after 20 years or 25 years of doing that, I decided I kind of wanted to set out for a smaller company, and I joined a Dutch nutrition company who had a small business in North America, and I was running that, and ended up moving to Liverpool to run a global, very specialty medical nutrition business that was sold prescription in many countries. It was a tremendous business, and while I was in Liverpool, the company got bought by Danone, the yogurt people, which was a whole cultural evolution after that. And then I left there after a couple of years after Danone bought the company, and since then I've been at Enzymotec in the Vaya Pharma division of Enzymotec. The Vaya Pharma division, we sell medical foods, and medical foods are simply products that are made from the mainstream food source stream, and we take those products, develop the science around them, put them together in combinations that work for specific disease states or conditions. So we do that. All of our products are regulated as medical foods, which is kind of a regulatory classification that's kind of like pharma, but not quite to the level of pharma. But we have to have our science. We can only talk about specific conditions. We sell our products to doctors and patients. Doctors have to write a script to get our product, just like a pharmaceutical product. And the big conditions that we have products to treat are ADHD. We treat some ancillary neurological conditions as well. And we have a great product with a great clinical study in mild cognitive impairment, which is a cognitive condition as you get older. And we also have some great science in the pipeline in other disease states and conditions, including autism and ADHD and epilepsy and some other disease states as well. Vaya is a division of Enzymotec. Our parent company, Enzymotec, is publicly listed on NASDAQ. It was started in 1998. Had some enzyme technology that they really leveraged to manipulate lipids, which are fats, and developed over time technology behind ingredients that were used in medical foods and used in infant formulas, used in dietary supplements. So they developed this technology. So Enzymotec has a nice business selling ingredients to companies like Abbott or Nestle or Danone or the companies in the Far East, the infant formula companies in the Far East, as well as dietary supplement companies. But then the Vaya Pharma division was an offshoot of that, where we took the same technology in terms of manipulating lipids and took it further, developed our end products, our Vaya Rin and our Vaya Cog products, developed the science further there to treat specific conditions, and we sell our own end products. So Vaya Pharma is really an evolution of the core technology that's used at Enzymotec, and there's a very complementary relationship between Vaya and Enzymotec. Our patent structure as a medical food is we're not one unique molecule like a pharmaceutical would be. So we build our whole IP portfolio in a very comprehensive way, because we're a combination of nutrients is really what works together. So we build a very robust IP portfolio around our technology to do it. So it's different than pharma, where it's one single molecule that you patent. So we build a robust portfolio, which is more challenging maybe in some ways from an IP perspective, but also maybe gives us more protection in some ways at the end too, because the patent, we can keep building patents, and we don't, like pharma, we don't go generic after 17 years and that sort of thing. We'll keep building the science and the robust portfolio over time.